Tiara, I love this place. It's so peaceful, just green and quiet.
Yeah, this garden is perfect. It's a great place to relax and take a break from screen.
Honestly, I almost forgot what it feels like to sit without checking my phone.
But didn't you bring your phone and tripod?
Okay, that's for this video. No scrolling today.
You know, we spend too much time online. Even when we are outside, we are still stuck to our phones.
Right, I need the internet for school, online classes, even food delivery. But sometimes it's just too much.
Last week, I came to a park like this to study, but ended up watching reels for 2 hours.
That's the internet for you. 1 minute it helps, next minute, boom, and 2 hours gone.
And it's kinda scary, right? First thing in the morning, check phone, last thing at night, steal the phone.
Guilty, I do that too.
That's why I love quiet place like this. No Wi-Fi, no distraction, just space to think.
Exactly, we really need moments like this. Being offline resets the mind. Actually, the internet can be useful for places like this too.
Really? How?
Like when we people post about beautiful parks or quiet gardens like this, it helps others discover them.
That's true. I found this place from someone's Instagram story.
Exactly, that's the power of internet, and we can use it for more than just fun.
Yeah, like online campaigns for environmental awareness, cleanup event, or tree planting.
Nice, the internet is a tool. It depends how we use it.
Okay, just one quick selfie before we go.
Fine, one selfie, then promise no more phone. So cute! Remember, stay connected online and don't forget to connect with the world around you.